So welcome back to another holiday edition to Shelly's Homemade. Today we're going to be making some shrimp corn chowder. Holidays is not complete without a warm bowl of soup. So we have a half a pound of shrimp. We have pepper, garlic, onion powder, and Old Bay. Chicken broth, bacon sliced, beef sausages sliced, scallion tops of the scallions for garnish. And in our bowl we have celery, onions, and some more scallions. We have some half and half, some frozen diced hash brown mix that's with onions and peppers. Yes, and then we have 5 cups of corn and some diced ham and some minced garlic, guys. So let's get started on this quick, easy holiday meal. Okay, so to our pie, we're going to add our bacon that we have diced up. I'm going to get it in our pan. Just like so. In there. I like to break the bacon apart. We're going to start off with the bacon, and then our sausages, and we're going to add our aromatics with our veggies. And we're going to add our potatoes, then we're going to add some flour, our chicken broth, our half and half, and the corn, well, the ham and the corn. It's going to be amazing. Alright, so when our bacon gets to that point where we want it, I'll be back. Okay, so the bacon is at that point. We're going in with our sausages, which is a half a cup of diced beef sausages. Amazing. We're going in with 4 ounces of ham. This is diced ham from Smithfield. This is a very hearty soup, and like I said, wonderful for the holidays, guys. Bacon, it smells so good. That bacon, the sausage, the ham. Now I'm going in with the celery, the onions, and the scallions. Get it all in there. I'll season. I'll go in and sprinkle half of it. And all the measurements are going to be in the description box, guys. If you miss anything, just go in. It's right there. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Oh man, I'm talking about. slinging stuff, guys. I'm slinging stuff. Alright, we're going to go in. Tablespoon. So of butter. Of flour. 2 tablespoons of flour. This is just to thicken it up, give it that hearty thickness that a chowder has. And just keep mixing for about a minute or so to cook that flour taste out, guys. You've been watching my video. I tell you this all the time. You gotta cook that flour taste out. And let it tasting like flour. There it is. Now we're gonna go in with some chicken broth. And just constantly stir because we don't want any lumps. While everybody else eating corn pudding and all that other corn stuff, you get you some of this shrimp corn chowder. Just like that. And we're going to go in with our potatoes. This is 2 cups of diced frozen hash mix. The potatoes, the onions, the bell peppers. Got those pretty Christmas colors in there. Corn chowder is never complete without some potatoes. Now, I know that people only add bacon to theirs, but I like a variety of things. Some ham, sausages, a whole nine. A little more. Alright, so when this comes up to a boil and our potatoes get almost done, I'll be back to show you what to do next. Alright, so we're back, and this corn chowder is thickened up. Now we're going to go in with our corn. That's 5 cups of corn. In there, all mixed in. There's corn chowder after all, so we're gonna add more corn than we did anything else. After this, now we're gonna go in with our shrimp. And our half and half. There. And that was 5 cups of frozen corn. You can use fresh if you like. I'm going in with my frozen. You can use canned, whatever you have. Do your jello. Some more half and half. You can use heavy cream. You can use milk. Whatever you have in your refrigerator works just fine. This is absolutely amazing. And after it's all done, after the shrimp is all cooked up and everything, and your corn is heated through, you're done. Easy was that. Nothing hard at all. Alright, so when this cooks through, I'll be right back. Alright, so I tasted it off camera. I want to come back in and put the rest of our seasoning in there, just to give it a good taste. Season it up. You notice I didn't add any salt because the bacon, the sausage, and the ham also had salt in it. The obey has salt. So I just went in with the rest of our seasoning. There you have it. Alright, so when this is done, it's almost there. When it's done, I'll be back and show you what to do next. Alright guys, so we're back. This is the finished product. The shrimp corn chowder. Look at that. You get shrimp, potato, corn. Of course you're going to get corn in every bite. Nice thick chowder. You got that bacon, ham, and sausage. Oh man, this is a whole meal by itself. You don't even need anything else. It's corn chowder, shrimp corn chowder. Absolutely delicious, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day. I'm going to see you in the next video.